Today we're having a look at the Citizen Bullhead Quartz Chronograph, model number AN3660-81L. This beauty revives one of Citizen's most coveted vintage watches, the Bullhead cased Chronograph Challenge Timer, originally released in 1972. This smooth 70s styling comes through quite clearly with the straight link bracelet and curvy stainless steel case. In fact, they've done a great job at recreating the whole package. However, the one main difference is in the movement. While the original rendition used an automatic movement, this one uses a quartz. For the price point of this one, I don't think anyone is expecting an automatic movement, and personally, I don't mind a quartz movement in this case. Like any great chronograph, this watch houses a flyback movement, which is always super satisfying to use. On the dial, we have a second counter at 3 o'clock, a 12-hour subdial sits at 6 o'clock, and a minute subdial at 9. The latter two subdials are only going to start ticking over once that main minute hand is ticking over as well. Sandwiched between the minute and 12-hour subdial at about 5 o'clock, we have a simple date window. And with all this going on in a fairly small dial, you would assume legibility would take a hit, but it seems not to be the case. With the watch faceplate being a dark navy blue, and the hands and hour markers being made of stainless steel, there is a fair amount of contrast between the two. There's also some lume on each hour marker and a small strip on each hand to increase legibility in dark environments. Of course, let's not forget to talk about the key feature of this watch, the Bullhead chronograph pushers, and the 12 o'clock position of the crown. Honestly, you'd be hard pressed to find a new watch with the Bullhead design, as the design decision seems to have been left in the 70s. But with this recreation of horology history, you're able to relive the good old days. One thing about the crown being at 12 o'clock, it means that changing the time while wearing the watch is so much easier, and no big crown is going to be digging into your wrist. Overall, this Citizen Bullhead remake knocks it out of the park in terms of styling and accuracy to the original. It seems the watch world responds really well to these vintage remakes, so I'd love to see more classics remade with modern movements. Let me know if you'd wear this watch by dropping a comment below, and if you want to pick this one up, click that link in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Give this video a like and share it with a friend. Make sure to subscribe for more watch videos, and thanks for watching.